Hey everyone, in April Sony announced the successor to their beloved behemoth, the Xperia XZ Premium. Now it's been a few months and I finally have my hands on the Xperia XZ2 Premium. It has the first double camera setup that we've seen on an Xperia phone, and it packs a few other cool tricks up its sleeve too. But before we can get to them, let's do a quick unboxing. This is the Xperia XZ2 Premium, and on first impression, it's a beast of a phone. The side buttons feel nice, and there's still a dedicated camera button. The box has a wall adapter that allows for quick charging and a USB-C cable. There's no headphone jack, so there's a dongle instead. And finally, in the small white box, are some instructions. Now that we have the phone in our hands, let's discuss what makes it special. The phone is massive. It's easily a two-handed device, and it's wider than the iPhone 8 Plus. The XZ2 Premium has a curved back that bulges out, so it's not that thick everywhere, but it's still not that subtle of a curve, and combined with its weight, it makes it pretty easy to drop. However, the edges are rounded now, so it doesn't dig into your hand. On the back, you'll find the two new cameras and a fingerprint reader right below them. They're placed too low, so it's a little too easy to mistake the top camera for the fingerprint reader. The IPS LCD has a crazy pixel density at 765 ppi. Though 5.8 inches might not sound that impressive, the 16:9 screen aspect ratio means that full-sized videos actually have more square inches to take advantage of, compared to other phones with the same diagonal. The screen also supports 4K HDR just like the XZ Premium. The phone has Gorilla Glass 5 front and back, as well as an IP68 rating. We're glad to see Sony keeping up their game with stereo speakers, and we can't wait to hear what they sound like. The XZ2 Premium has a Snapdragon 845 with 6 gigs of RAM, so it's unlikely that you'll find a game the phone can't handle. The chipset also helps enhance the capabilities of the camera. Sony's Motion Eye dual camera is what really sets this phone apart from any other Xperia device. The secondary camera has a 12-megapixel black and white sensor. Theoretically, the two cameras should work together to capture more light and create better images than most phones in low light. However, that still needs to be tested. And it's not only photos. The ISO can now go up to 51,200 in photos and up to 12,800 in video. Theoretically, that should allow you to shoot in pitch blackness, although these special high sensitivity modes are limited to 17 megapixel for photos and 1080p for videos. And just like on the XZ2, this phone can shoot 960 frames per second at Full HD. There is also support for shooting HDR10 video. The Xperia XZ2 Premium offers plenty for any user, but that doesn't mean that what it offers is right for you. We'll do some in-depth testing, and if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Subscribe so that you don't miss our full review, and if you want more details, check out our website at gsmarina.com. See you next time.